Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mubashar Altaf, and today I want to present my dream. आग के दश्त फिक्र में फिर से आजाद दें, आग के दश्त फिक्र में फिर से आजाद दें, कितनी है दिल की मस्जिदें वीरान पड़ी हुई। My dear students and faculty members, इंसान जो सबसे कीमती चीज किसी को दे सकता है वो है वक्त। तो मुझे आपके 5 मिनट चाहिए। काइंडली 5 मिनट के लिए आपने ध्यान मेरी तरफ रखना है। I am a dreamer. I dream at night, in the day, walking, talking, silencing. I dream of talking to me, to you, to the younger, to the older, to men, to women, to he males, to she males, to all animals, to all plants, to all stars, to all moons, to all suns. It's all me. I dream of east and west. I dream of north and south and all in between. It's all me. Oh all, I dream of you all, considering all you me and all me you. I dream of all continents, all countries, all states. I dream of Pakistan. I dream of it free from racism, free from communal rights, free from sectarianism, free from terrorism, free from poverty, free from injustice. It is a Pakistan, and it must be Pak. I dream of it, the loveliest, the purest, the most prosperous, the safest place for the humanity to live in. I dream of its inhabitants being eager to conquer the hearts rather than the lands. I dream of the green passport to be the symbol of piety, peace, compassion, love, honesty, and courage. I dream of no beggars in the streets, on the roads, knocking at the doors. I often dream of walking in the streets at night, in the day, round the clock, working, eating, walking, talking with friends, coming back home and sleeping on the bed with full serenity without locking the main gate. I dream of Balochistan, prospering day and night. I dream of the poor and downtrodden people of province getting their due rights, getting education and becoming doctors, lawyers, judges, businessmen, pilots, engineers, patriotic politicians, and excelling in each and every field of life. I dream of KPK rising and becoming an example of how to rise from the ash and to preach the great. I dream of the Haris of the Indus to be the owner of the land which they have been cultivating for many generations. I dream of spreading the spirit of Sachal Sarmast. I dream of Punjab to be the land of love, affection, prosperity, the land, true representative of Bulle Shah, Data Ganj Baksh, Sultan Bahu, Mian Muhammad Baksh, Waris Shah, and many others spreading the spirit of love. I dream of villages and cities of the South Punjab being facilitated like that of Lahore. I dream of new law for Pakistan. I dream of courts in every gully mohalla working 24 hours. I dream of the police serving the public like the true and faithful servants. I dream of talent-seeking department in our country, searching, nurturing, training and serving the nation and the rest of the world as well. I dream of every Prime Minister and President of ours to be the most honest, the most just, the most loving, the most intelligent and the most courageous personalities of the country. I dream of Pakistan to be a leading nation in the world, spreading love, peace, health, generosity and compassion. I dream of Pakistan to be the center of the world, the pivot of the world, the biggest servant of the whole humanity. I dream of the end of all wars in the world. I dream of removing all the geographical boundaries which cause hatred among nations. I dream of an average life of every human being to be almost 1500 years. I dream of this. I dream of freedom. The freedom of the individual. The freedom of every Pakistani. Freedom in thinking, expressing, dressing, living, walking, talking, marrying, loving. I dream of every Pakistani free in his or her choices, in each and every aspect of life. I dream all this for you, for me, for him, for her, for all of us. And my last message to you, याद रखना है आपने, सिर्फ ये लाइन है एटलीस्ट आपने याद रखना. My last message: accept the difference and respect the difference. Thank you very much.